Okay, so let's talk about conversation. Let's look at a conversation. Read and repeat. That's it. So there's a formal version and an informal version. Okay. So formal. Adrian, good day. Good day. Remember, formal is very nice. Formal. Good day. My name is Adrian. Not my name's Adrian. My name is, not name's Adrian. Name is Adrian. I am James, not I'm. I am. I'm. I am James. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Adrian, pleased to meet you. James, likewise. Likewise. But notice here, my name is. We didn't say names. Names. Or I am. I'm. It's my name is. I am. That formal. This is how it's formalized. This is how you make it formal, by saying each individual word, I am, instead of I'm. My name is. My name's Adrian. Likewise. Very good. So informal. So Adrian. So. See you tomorrow then. So. See you tomorrow then. See you tomorrow then. See you tomorrow then. Yeah. James. Yeah. Bye. Yeah. Bye. Nice. Adrian. Bye bye. Nice. So we added here so to begin the question. So. See you tomorrow. So. See you tomorrow. But we also added then. So. See you tomorrow then. Then, like, yeah, maybe, sure, I think so, probably, then. Yeah. Not yes. Not yes. Yes, it's yeah. 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 Bye. Not goodbye. Goodbye. It's bye. Nice and simple, straightforward, one word, 3 letters. Bye. Bye-bye. Simple as that. Bye-bye. Cool. Bye-bye. So by adding so, like just now, we can make it more informal. Adrian, so, see you tomorrow then. And finishing it off, to clarify, see you tomorrow then, I guess. Then, yeah. And bye, not goodbye, but bye. Nice. And yeah, as opposed to yes. How cool is that? So, formal, Adrian, good day. My name is Adrian. James, I am James. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Handshake, nice to meet you. Adrian, pleased to meet you. Very nice. James, likewise. The same. The same. Likewise, the same. And informal, Adrian, so. See you tomorrow then. See you tomorrow then. James, yeah, bye. Adrian, bye-bye. How cool is that? Nice. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep going.